Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you where you can select your custom heart rate zones for workout settings in HUAWEI Health app. Okay, so we gotta do it in our app. Open up your HUAWEI Health, go to Me, and then scroll down a little bit, go to Settings. Now, Workout Settings, and in here we have the exercise heart rate settings. Tap on that, and right in here we have our heart rate zones. We can select, do we want to use the maximum heart rate percentage, HRR percentage, or LTHR percentage. If you select each option, you can see a quick description down below. So for example, for the maximum heart rate percentage divides the different zones based on your maximum heart rate. To provide the best training guidance, HRR will automatically be used during running courses. This one calculates the different training intensity zones based on the difference between your maximum heart rate and resting heart rate. And we have the LTHR. This method is based on your calculated lactate threshold. The zones are different percentages of your locate threshold heart rate. And so it's up to you which mode you want to select. And in here we have the current settings. If you want, you can go to the advanced and you can manually select the heart rate for each zone and also the percentage. Then if you want to save, hit the button. You can do it for the upright exercise performed in a fully standing position, such as running or walking. You can do it for the sitting exercises performed in a sitting or slightly bent position, such as rowing, spinning, or cycling. For this one, for example, we don't have the LTHR, we have only the HRR. We have the swimming and other exercise performed in a position that doesn't fall into a fully standing, sitting, or neutral position, or exercises such as fishing or strength training that involve multiple positions. And you can select everything that you want. You can also select the heart rate limit, and also enable the alert. So now it will alert me for other exercises, for other workouts, when my heart rate reaches 197. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.